Howdy folks, it's Jethro. It is Sunday morning. Time for another model cars and coffee. And I'm going through my progression here of model cars that I have built, of the one-to-one cars that I've owned. Today I'm doing a 23 Ford T-Bucket, a little street rod. I picked up one of those one-to-one. I picked that up. I was in a car club, and a guy in there had one that was, he had started a project on it and kind of lost interest in it. And that's actually the best way to buy a hot rod project, is somebody that's wanting to get it out of their way. You get a good deal on it. So I picked that up and put it together, got it all done. And as for the model car goes, well, I got a couple pictures of the one-to-one. We'll go ahead and get that out of the way. That's kind of in the progress of it there. I had it on the road going. That was at a little car show. And here's another picture of it. Took it to a car show in Daytona. I trailered it out to Daytona. I don't trailer my cars very often, but it was this car was just not comfortable to drive that far. It's a couple hours drive there for me. So, but anyway, that's kind of that. I had a lot more pictures of this car somewhere, and I can't find them. I'll find them this afternoon, but be too late then. Anyway, as far as the car goes, I put this one together. This is the first model car that I built on my channel. My son beat me to the punch. He built a car on my channel right shortly before this one. So, but I built this one for the Ron Stewart Appreciation Group build about 4 years. I think it was 2020 or during COVID. I think is when got a little bit more time to build models, because there wasn't anything else going on. Everything else was shut down. So that was one good thing that came out of COVID, was actually got sort of back into building models and putting them on my channel. So like I say, I think it was a Monogram or a Revell boomer bucket. Good kit. It's nice. There's a lot of small parts, kind of a little fiddly getting them together, kind of like the real T-Bucket. It was a fun build, but it was challenging on its own. So at any rate, that's what I got. Not a whole lot on this one. Like I say, just a quick build. I think I wired the engine, and that's about as far as I got with any kind of details. So I keep this one kind of short. Just painted this one up. I didn't do this at all like my car. I just built it as a T-Bucket. Come out pretty good. My car didn't. This is more of a show car than mine was. So but at any rate, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna wrap it up pretty quick here and get on with doing some other stuff here. And hope y'all are doing well. I want to appreciate all you guys for watching and comments. Model Cars and Coffee is going really well. There's a lot of interest in this right now, and it's a lot of fun. I'm enjoying doing the videos. I'm enjoying watching all of y'all's videos. Really cool. So thanks, Paul at Left Coast Model Car Builds, for coming up with the idea and promoting it. And that's going to be about it. I'm going to wrap it up here, and I will catch y'all on the next one. This is Jethro, over and out.